Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today on my blog I've made a twist and pop card, and I thought that it would be handy to have a video just showing how to the basics of how to assemble a twist and pop card. So if you're unfamiliar, this is what a twist and pop card does. And now I'll set this aside and we will quickly go through how to score and put the different elements together. So the measurements for this twist and pop base can be found on my blog, theartfulinker.com, as a download. You're going to need your paper trimmer, and I've cut a standard long and narrow base here, and you're going to score at 5.5, and then we'll fold that and set it aside. Next, I've got my strip for my mechanism, and I'm going to put that in at portrait and score. All the scoring measurements are on that download, and then I'm going to turn it to landscape and score and set this piece aside. Now for my pop-up piece, I am going to score at 3 score lines here. And let's flip the arm out, and we're almost ready to start assembling. These are much easier than they appear. Oops, let's lock this in place. Now I have a layer to go on the inside of my card, and I've just scribbled on it so that when we assemble it, you'll be able to see. So I'm going to add the tick marks here. This will help you to understand those written directions, and then I'm going to put the tick marks in the track here and cut on that side, and then put the tick marks in the track. Make sure I've got this lower one in, and score. Okay, now we are ready to assemble, so let's put this out of the way. This piece is going to be folded mountain, valley, mountain. I do need to put this back in just a moment. I need a couple of additional tick marks on this. So going to here, and then flip this around and add the tick marks here, and then we're going to create an X across these tick marks. Okay, and same thing here. And create that. So let's put this paper trimmer aside and fold these score lines. So you're going to fold in half, and then we need to fold each of the X's. Oops. And then we need to fold that center score line. So now we're going to press these in. We're going to press these in And you'll get something that looks like a house or a rocket ship. Now let's bring our card base back in. And I just want to add a quick mark at the halfway point here, so that I know where to put the point of this mechanism. I'm going to add glue here. And let's see if I can see that tick mark without putting my head in the frame. So we're going to line that right up on the tick mark and hold. And I want to hold a moment before I add adhesive to this other side. And then pull this together and make sure it's going to be straight and hold. Next, we're going to add this piece that's going to open. So you want the point up and these two open sides up and centered here. Then fold this up. So we'll add glue here. Let me make sure and we're going to hold, close and hold. And then I'm just going to flip this over and pull this one to this side and add glue here and hold. We're almost done with assembling. And that's how it opens. Now, if you want to add a cardstock layer or designer paper to the inside, that's what these pieces were that we cut at the beginning, and they go right up in like this. I've scribbled on them so that you can see, and they hide part of the mechanism. You'll need 2 of those. So, and here. And then you'll need 4 of this panel that we've cut just 1 of, and they will go on each of these sections, leaving you with a border around. So that's quick and easy how to assemble a twist and pop card. Now you will need to fold it and unfold it a couple of times so that it sort of learns what it's supposed to do, and then you're ready to go. So thanks for stopping by. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker of theartfulinker.com. You can purchase all of your Stampin' Up! Products in my Stampin' Up! Store. There will be links in the description below to my store and my blog and the blog post that this is associated with. Thanks. Bye.